Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Kulla. I'm here away, I'm on vacation, and I read a comment while on vacation that I heard the reflux shield only helps with acid reflux and GERD and hiatal hernia temporarily for a few days. And my reply to that is, what does medication do? Does medication work? Take one pill and it's gone? No, and medication has side effects. Most medication doesn't even work for most people. The reflux shield has a 93% success rate. Now, yes, she's partially right. It's temporary, right? It pulls the stomach down. But what it does is it gets to the root cause of your acid reflux and GERD. It's a completely different way of treating it. Now, yeah, in the beginning you'll have to use it every day, and after time you'll use it less and less, because the more your stomach is pulled down, that allows your diaphragm to actually heal, tighten up, and we give you stretches and exercises to strengthen and tighten up that diaphragm so that the hernia, the stomach doesn't herniate back upward through the diaphragm into your chest cavity. So the more you do it over time, a couple of weeks, even like 2 months, you will have to do it less and less. You're not gonna have to do this every couple of days. Now, if you aggravate it, if you're constipated, or your kid jumps on your stomach, or you go pick up something heavy without breathing and build up that abdominal pressure, yeah, it could come back. It's not gonna kill you, it's not gonna hurt you. It's the acid that can cause cancer, right? The hernia itself is not going to hurt you or kill you. It can cause bloating and difficulty breathing and all sorts of symptoms. So the reflux shield is meant to use when you're symptomatic as needed. And then over time, you'll need to use it less and less. Tell me, does medication do that? Does surgery do that? The surgery has an extremely high failure rate. Guys, you have to rethink how we are treating acid reflux and GERD due to a hiatal hernia, which is a physical mechanical problem. Medication and surgery is not going to fix that. That's why there is such a high failure rate there. So please, if you have questions, it's not a cure. I've never said it is a cure, but it will mitigate the risks of it reoccurring again and again when used for several weeks, okay? And you'll use it less and less as needed. I hope that clears things up. I hope you guys understand how the reflux shield works. You have to change your way of thinking on how we treat it. This is a completely different way where it addresses the root cause. God bless you. I hope you all find help, whatever you choose, whatever method. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.